Mission NIC and its partners are to improve access to insurance products and services. This is to promote financial inclusion and make life better for Ghanaians. Since 2010, the NIC has been developing an inclusive insurance regime in Ghana with technical and financial assistance and support from the GIZ and the UNDP. Many initiatives have been adopted to propel the development of the inclusive insurance market in Ghana. The NIC over the years has made significant efforts towards the increase in access to insurance products, some of which were building the capacity of insurers and regulatory changes. At a validation event in Accra, the Acting Commissioner of Insurance, Mr. Michael Kofiando, said the NIC and its partners seek to identify gaps and opportunities in the work done so far by the team.
We have worked on a regulatory framework that will facilitate and ease the development and sale of insurance. We have trained the intermediaries and created space for them to also develop. And then on the demand side, we've done a lot of public education and campaigns.
Deputy Resident Representative at UNDP, Mr. Shukrab Kushmukhamedov, emphasized the importance of insurance for any country and identified its usefulness, especially in time of disaster.
I expect in few years' time that the current legislation to be upgraded in order to address all the gaps that are there, and that insurance in coming years, maybe not as a first step, but like in future becomes a right, not some luxury for the people.
The partners are confident of coming up with an inclusive insurance regulatory strategy and roadmap that would rope in the informal sector, ensuring the desired financial inclusivity.